tracks of motorbikes.
But today will not be a motorbike vlog. This time I'm serious because today is a
Black day.
So this is Rabin's old bike.
Yeah.
It was actually Tagore's first bike, and then Tarquin had it, and Tagore's 15 now, so it's been around for a while. And it's still going, it's still working well. How is it?
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit small on me still. But
So it's time for a bigger bike.
yeah, like that. Probably never stack this.
We have a small problem.
And also, when you put in the brakes, it just slides a little bit more. So we're getting a brand new one of. We've got a brand new one of those.
So a new brake lever and some new brake pads, and this bike will be go. This was actually Tarquin's.
Yeah, this was the Tarquin. How did they even do that? It's just so sketchy.
We have a problem. Well, it's not a major problem. These grips need to come off.
Yeah, do we need it? It's never coming off, Dad. I don't think this will ever come off. We've got special spray stuff. This will make it loosen.
A little minor problem, part of it snapped off, so it's hard to get the cable out. Might have to use some
Dad,
force.
this thing's not stable.
It's not stable.
What, George? What the? How do you have these done?
A little bit more bike maintenance. Here ends bike maintenance. Though this will tend to be more than one episode. Stay tuned. That was in fact quite a lot of fun, particularly when it works. It's always better when it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. That worked.